Welcome to the e-commerce jam.
So it's the first time for me attending the e-commerce jam conference. I think the concept's great, the format's great, and I look forward to connecting with everybody from this region.
It doesn't feel that you're giving a lecture. It feels more you're just talking with friends and you're talking with another expert in the field.
It's the best, mainly because it allows you to be in community together with like-minded and not so like-minded people and learn from each other's strengths.
I believe that there is a lot of vibes in the room, a lot of exchange information, a lot of initiatives and a lot of new way of looking the e-commerce business today.
A lot of insightful topics, a lot of insightful talks, a lot of thought-provoking talks as well, and great atmosphere.
And I think it's an event that brings together so many amazing talents and people from e-com business. There's so much knowledge shared between all of us, and it's just an inspirational place to be. So thank you.